When the opportunity arose that Sharp was getting this machine, which was absolutely probably one of the best machines I've ever seen out there, it was an incredible opportunity for us and we had to jump on it. You know, the sheet size is incredible, up to 40 inches, which has been mind-boggling. And the speed, the machine's speed is incredible. And we just got our certification from Color Logic with all the bells and whistles from them now. You know, between Atlantic and Sharp, their service has been top notch. And it's just been a great opportunity. And we're really happy with the product. We're really happy with the machine. Being that the machine is, you know, brand new, technology is different, the toner hits differently, everything just pops. And I love every color that comes off of it. It's just incredible, you know, vibrance. And some of our clients are, you know, they're in the art world, so they expect a level of quality, and this machine can do that. And it really, really makes them happy, which makes us happy. The white glove service was incredible. You know, when the delivery team showed up, and it was the guys from Sharp, guys from Atlantic, you know, there were more guys there than, you know, my staff. And they were taking care of us, and they literally got it down and got it, you know, installed, and yeah, there were no hiccups.